everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to remove sound from video on an Android device. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you can use Google Photos, which is pre-installed on many Android phones. So launch Google Photos app. Now open the video that you want to mute. Tap on the edit button at bottom center of your screen. And here you can easily swipe, and at the bottom right you can find the mute icon. Tap on mute in order to mute the audio of this video. You can tap on save copy in bottom right corner of your screen. And with that, you will successfully remove the sound from the video from Google Play or Google Photos. If you do not have built-in feature, you can even use InShot or CapCut like editing application. There you can install the app and then open the video, and you can easily use the volume editor in order to mute the sound of particular video. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.